Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, so for today's question, we're going to be basically have to know the definitions of key terms. So this is something that will be very useful when you're taking any sort of AP biology test or any other sort of test. So if we look at the key terms, the question itself is just asking for the definition. They provide the definition and they're asking for the key term that matches of basically a hard covering or a shell that provides both a place for muscles to attach or for protection for the organism. So if we look at the answer choices, we look at A, we have an apodeme. So an apodeme is kind of related. An apodeme is when we have an exoskeleton where the skeleton is on the outside of an organism, and but then an apodeme is the ingrowths that allow for the muscle attachment. So ingrowths for the muscle. But it's not actually the hard covering or shell in and of itself. If we look at B, we have fusiform. Fusiform is a type of shape that organisms can have, typically that are in water, and they're tubular, sort of like a dolphin. Then we have C, which is an exoskeleton, which does fit because an exoskeleton is a hard covering or shell that is used for muscle attachment and or protection. And then we have D, which we know is not the right answer because it says endotherm, which is an organism where they control and are in charge of their own heat internally. So we'll say internal heat. So obviously the term that matches is C, exoskeleton. Thank you.